you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you how to make awesome, banging, amazing, and super easy Instant Pot broccoli and cheddar soup. Believe it or not, this recipe takes just a few minutes, very few minutes, and it is delicious. We all love broccoli and cheddar soup. Nobody can say they don't. I don't believe it, but it's going to be epic, and it's all made in our Instant Pot. We're going to start by getting our Instant Pot onto our saute feature, and we're going to, when it's ready, we're going to add a tablespoon of butter that we're going to let melt down. Once your butter is in your Instant Pot, you're going to add 1 yellow onion and saute for about 3 minutes. All in all, you're going to saute your onions for about 3 minutes or so until they're translucent, and then we're just going to add our other ingredients. So you can hear that our onions are sizzling. I'm getting a little bit of a facial here, but it's time to move on to our next step. We're going to knock it down to the keep warm feature and add in our other ingredients. We have 1 cup of a shredded or grated carrot that we're going to add in, and then we have about 4 cups of broccoli. We're going to just dump that in here and stir it all together. Once we got our veggies in, we're going to add 3 cups of a chicken broth. So a container like this is actually 4 cups, but we're going to add 3. Oop, I just spilled there a little bit. So just add it on in, and then we're almost ready to kick this bad boy on. Last step before we're kicking it up, we're going to add about a teaspoon of a better than bouillon. Just dump it in there, get it all off my spoon, and then just give this all a stir before we get cooking. Then you're going to lock your lid on and cook it on manual high pressure for just 1 minute. You heard that correctly. We're cooking it for 1 minute. While your broccoli and other ingredients is cooking in your pressure cooker, you're going to melt 1/4 of a cup of butter and mix it with 1/4 of a cup of flour and just whisk it together to make a nice paste. You're going to whisk that into 1 cup of an almond milk. If you don't want to use almond milk, you can use a cream and just whisk it all together. That 1/4 tablespoon of butter, 1/4 tablespoon of flour, and 1 cup of almond milk. So when it's all ready, we're just going to wait till it cooks that minute. Then we're going to release, allow it to cool for another 2 minutes or so, and then switch it back to saute to add our cheese. After that minute, we do a quick release and allow it to cool for about 2. So once we open up our Instant Pot, we're going to switch it back to the saute setting and stir in our milk, flour, and butter mixture and our cheese. So just go ahead and dump that in. And then we're going to add in our shredded cheddar cheese. This is 1 block of cheddar cheese shredded on up. And now we're going to stir it on the saute feature until it's all melted together and running smooth. So as you're stirring, you're going to see your cheese blend right into what's already in your Instant Pot. It should melt pretty quickly, but just keep giving it a stir. And when it's the consistency that you want and you believe all of your cheese is melted into it, then it's time to serve. And yeah, we just made that in a few minutes. We made delicious homemade broccoli and cheddar cheese soup. I mean, it's going to be amazing. I'm going to grab myself a bowl right now. So let's see how we did. This looks so delicious. I love broccoli and cheese soup. I mean, I know it's not the healthiest, but I'll tell you what, it's freaking delicious. So if your cheese is melted, just go ahead, get it in your bowl. If you want a little bit of a thicker soup, you can add a little bit more flour. But guys, you're going to love this. Can you see in there? That looks really good. And it smells even better. And honestly, about a minute in the Instant Pot. I can't even believe it. I like to hit mine with a little bit of black pepper and then dig in. Can you see? That looks so good. Oh, I can't wait. It's going to be so hot, but so yummy. Holy cow. You're going to love this. You're going to love me for showing, and you're really going to love your Instant Pot. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every Tuesday. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking. Good luck with this delicious soup. Enjoy, guys. It's honestly so freaking good. And I'll see you next time. Bye.